This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by David Hibbard. Public remarks: remodeled 3/4 brick home in a quiet, well-maintained neighborhood. Very close to West Town Mall. Many updates and an open floor plan. 3 bedrooms and 2 baths up. Large eat-in kitchen. Basement features a gas fireplace in the family room and 2 additional rooms as bedrooms or offices. Large level lot and long driveway. Walkout patio to level fenced yard. All measurements must be verified by buyer. For more information, review the details below or contact David Hibbard at 865-342-4200.